Do you want to become super affiliate and earn big money consistently through affiliate marketing? 95% of the people do affiliate marketing spammy way by posting links all over the internet, and they fail miserably. I was able to earn thousands of dollars every month consistently just through affiliate marketing because I positioned myself differently than others. Do you want to position yourself stronger and shine brightly among the crowds? In this episode, I am going to walk you through 5 levels of affiliate marketing. And by upgrading yourself, how can you progress to become the best? Hi, I'm Suneel Hegde. I'm a digital entrepreneur and founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. Without further any delay, let's get into the topic. Okay, welcome back. Let me quickly walk you through what I am going to cover in this episode. First, I'm going to talk about 5 levels of affiliate marketing. I challenge you, even if you're a veteran, you're doing affiliate marketing for quite some time, you might be operating at level 1 or level 2. You might not be aware there are level 3, level 4, level 5. So stay tuned and understand what are those 5 levels and where exactly you stand. All right. Then, if you stay till the end, I am going to reward you with a free bonus. I'm sure you're going to love this. Yeah. Now, let's start with 5 levels. In that, level 1 is niche blog. What do I mean by niche blog? You writing an article, you write a blog about a specific topic. Let's take an example. You want to write about email marketing. Then you start writing about what is email marketing, how to write powerful emails, how to build lists, how to build email marketing systems, recommended tools. When you write those articles, you include your affiliate links. Maybe for get response, convert kit. When people read those, click on those links and buy, you'll make a commission. Niche blog is all about text based. It is a faceless, you're not connected as a brand, as a person with your audience. I'm not saying you'll not be able to make money through niche blog. There are so many people who is making money. However, the competition is huge. It is cutthroat. If you want to rank in Google, let's say someone search email marketing, your blog or article has to be in top 3 or 4. It's huge competition. Hundreds of people are competing for that particular keyword. So niche blog, there is heavy competition. It is a text-based, faceless, and there is not much connect with your audience. Now, let's look at level 2, personal branded website. Your face is the brand. In 1990s, 2000, people used to connect a lot with logos. Now, people connect with face. People connect with people. In my case, I have suneelhegde.com, dreamlifestylehub.co. There, I build my influence. I build my trust with my target audience. Some of the famous branded websites, Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone, Dan Lok, all of them have their own personal branded website. There are lots of stuff are happening when they promote something to their target audience, tools, recommended resource, anything, people will go and buy because they have created that aura of their personal brand. Yeah. Here in niche blog, there used to be text-based a lot. Yeah, almost it is a text-based. In personal branded website, you not only have text-based, you have a combination of audio-based, video-based content as well. And even Google will reward for personal branded website. You as a brand, when you start growing, Google will reward you. So you have lots of organic traffic coming into your website. Your prospects will trust you. You build a lot of influence with them. And when you recommend something, people will go and buy those. So that is all about personal branded site. Now, let's look at level 3, membership sites. Not many people are doing this because it's not easy. Level 3 is the extension of level 2. In personal branded website, it is a front end where you connect with your people, your audience. But level 3 is all about the back end. Your own courses, your coaching system, you bring in the element of community building. I use a tool called Teachable to host all my courses. I do not recommend or promote anything directly. This is where I am positioning myself differently in this crowded market. That is what I was talking in the beginning. First, I educate the people. I let them know what it takes to achieve result. And when I recommend something based on that course, my affiliate tools, the resource, they will buy because I have already built that connection and the trust. I have given them so much of value and they are already aware these resources and tools will help them to achieve results. So membership site is all about you connect with people, build the trust through your courses, then recommending the tools, not just spamming and all over the place you are recommending your tools. Yeah, I want to reiterate something here. My number one thumb rule is I do not recommend anything which I have not used personally. You can go and check my website. Even here in the description, I have given some recommended tools. Each and every tool is personally used by me and I have got results. However, majority of affiliate marketers, they just promote for the sake of money. That's why they are not making money. They don't own it, they don't know how it works, nothing, but they just promote. When you use it, when you own those, you have the moral authority to promote. At a subconscious level, people will find it. And then you will be able to make money. All right. If you got value so far, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Yeah. Now, let's move on to the level 4, dynamic marketing system. This is where I'm currently at. I'm currently at around 50% in level 4 and 50% in level 5. I'm still learning and upgrading myself to be 100%. Yeah. Dynamic marketing system has two aspects. Number one is you create your own marketing machine, automated marketing machine, which will sell for you 24/7, even while you sleep. How awesome is that? Through automated marketing machine, you can truly serve global audience. No need to worry about time zone difference, and it will ultimately give you the freedom. And the second aspect is, this is where I'm working on. You create your own affiliate program for your product, for your course. You can leverage other people to promote your product. Let's take an example. You have a course around funnel building. When others promote your product, people will come and buy your product, your course. When they go through your course, when you recommend tool, maybe ClickFunnels, you make a commission. It's a win-win situation. Let's say your course is around $100. You pay 50% commission to other people who recommend those products and bring the people to you. So $50 you will pay to them. Then when those people go through the course, when they buy those affiliate products, you will make a commission. Yeah, that is the advantage of dynamic marketing system. Now, let's move on to the level 5, which is hub-based business model. Only few people, you can count in fingers, aware and understand hub-based business model. Only few people are doing this. And I'm learning from my mentor who is doing this model for quite some time and is earning multi-million dollar every month. And you're lucky because you're here. Yeah, let me quickly explain you as simple as possible what is hub-based business model. Look at this diagram. Let me make it big for you. This is the hub I'm talking about. Hub is nothing but your home on the internet. This is the place where people will come and hang out with you. Yeah, through your hub, you can have various automated marketing machines which will sell for you round the clock and brings you sales. You can build multiple sources of income. You can attach multiple affiliate products and you can build your community, your super fans, and nurture your tribe. Yeah, you have already heard this. All roads leads to Rome. Yeah, similar way, your hub is like a private island. Anything and everything will happen through your hub. Yeah, let's take an example. You have a traffic coming in, you have a list, bring them back to your hub. You have different social media handles through your post, again bring them back to your hub. Hub is a central place where all the interactions happens. You build your influence, you build your trust, and through that, you make lots of money. Yeah. I have already implemented hub-based business model. I might be having 5 to 6 multiple streams of income. However, my mentor has 100 plus multiple streams of income. I'm not sure whether you are able to imagine or comprehend what is the power of hub-based business model. By the way, if you want to know more about hub-based business model, you want to directly learn from my mentor. On your screen, you can see a link. Also, I have given this in the description. Go and create your free account and go through those free trainings. Yeah. Now, let's go back to the mind map. As promised, I want to reward you with this free bonus. In the description below, I have given a link. Click on that link and download my ebook, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. It is going to be very, very invaluable resource for you. Go and check it out. Yeah. Now, let's quickly recap these 5 levels. Level 1 is niche blog, highly competitive, and majority of the people are doing this. Next one is personal branded website, build influence and then promote your affiliate products. And the third one is membership sites. Through your courses, through your coaching system, first give the education and then sell your affiliate products. Fourth one is dynamic marketing system. Build automated marketing machines. Then you have your own affiliate programs for your product, for your courses. And the ultimate one is level 5, hub-based business model. You create your own private island. There you build your multiple streams of income. So these are the 5 levels. Each level, if you want to upgrade, it will take time. You have to have your patience. It is not like getting rich quick. It takes time. Have that patience. Also invest in programs which will help you upgrade your skills so that you can move these levels faster. So the key here is to understand the game and be in the game. So it is not just about sharing and spamming the links everywhere. If you want to be a super affiliate, you got to start creating your community. You can't be a spammer. You got to be the leader. So start working towards that goal. All right. So until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.